Good morning. In this video session, I would like to discuss about air conditioner plant. Now, I want to start a air conditioner manufacturing unit. So, to start up a air conditioner manufacturing unit, I have become an entrepreneur. That means I have to enter into the air conditioner business and I have to exit into the business. That means this is a uh, way of the entrepreneur estimating and executing the product. Now, what is the market price of an air conditioner? For example, the market price of air conditioner is 30,000. I want to make per month 200 air conditioner products. That means if I make 200 air conditioners product in a month, I'm getting 60 lakhs per month. I'm getting 60 lakhs per month. In this 60 lakhs, my estimated profit, say out of this 30,000, the profit example 3,000 is the profit from the, if I sell the 30,000 rupees, I'm getting the profit of 3,000 rupees. So 3 to the 6 lakhs. My profit is 6 lakhs. Now I want to start the business in 2025 and exit the business in 2037. That means 12 years. I want to complete a 12 years of entrepreneurship in manufacturing conditioner plant, in manufacturing air conditioners. Now, per year, if I sell 28 air conditioners in 12 months, 2,400 air conditioners I'm selling. So, I'm getting 72. That means 7 crores 20 lakh rupees per year. I'm getting 7 crores 20 lakhs per year, and profit is 72 lakhs. Profit is 72 lakhs. Sorry, I'm doing this business for 10 years. You should not say 20 years, 12 years, 10 years I'm doing. So, in 12 years, my lifespan of business, I'm getting 70 crores 20 lakhs from the marketing department, by marketing the products, marketing the market. And my profit is 7 crores 20 lakhs. 7 crores So profit is 72 lakhs. 72 lakhs in 10 years. That is 7 crores 20 lakhs. 7 crores 20 lakhs. This is my profit. So after completion of my business, my profit is I have earned 7 crores and 20 lakhs. Now, my planning of the unit 2024 January to 2025. That means I have to start manufacturing in 2025 January. By the end of the January, I have to sell 20 air conditioners and I have to get 60 lakh rupees as a returns in the finance department. Now, what I have to do in this 1 year? I have to purchase a land. I have to manufacture, I have to arrange shed for manufacturing. Land with shed. I have to construct an office. I have to construct an office. I have to plan the transport. I have to plan the transport. I have to decide the marketplaces, distinct marketplaces. That means these 200 air conditioners should be going into these marketplaces. Say 10 marketplaces I have identified. In these 10 marketplaces, so 20 air conditioners in each marketing place I am sending by the end of January 2025. Not exactly in January, by January 20th, 2025, I am dispersing 20 air conditioners in each market, and by January 30, 2025, I'm getting 60 lakh rupees in my office. Now, what is the investment that I have to put? So, the total estimated finance is 70. I'm getting is 70 lakhs, 70 crores, 20 lakhs. Out of this, 7 crores is product. So, 62 crores, 62 crores, 80 lakhs is the total amount of total amount which I'm spending in various activities to get 7,20,000 profit. So, the planning of how to spend the 62 crores and 80 lakh rupees for this 10 years. This is my complete finance plan. How to spend 62 crores 80 lakh rupees in these 10 years. And because the business will be starting from January 2025. So in this 1 year, how much amount I should have in my hand? How much amount I should have in my hand to construct all these activities plan? That means I have to, by 2025 January, I have to plan human resources. I have to plan um, the transport expenses. I have to plan everything. So this is how we should plan a project for air conditioner plant. So we can think such type of projects and things like in further videos. So thank you for watching the video.